Phase 1. Foundational Knowledge. Module 1. Introduction to SAP BTP. 1. What is SAP BTP? SAP Business Technology Platform, BTP, is SAP's integrated offering that provides businesses with a set of tools and services to develop applications, manage data, and integrate systems, use analytics, AI or ML, and automation across cloud and hybrid environments. Extend the capabilities of SAP S/4HANA and other ERP systems through custom solutions. 2. Core components of SAP BTP. 1. Business Application Studio, BS. A cloud-based IDE for developers to build applications. Supports multiple programming languages, ABAP, JavaScript, etc. Example: build custom Fiori apps or extensions for S/4HANA. 2. SAP Integration Suite. Provides tools to integrate on-premise and cloud-based applications using APIs and connectors. Example: connect Salesforce to SAP S/4HANA via Integration Suite. 3. SAP Analytics Cloud SAC. Offers real-time dashboards, planning models, and predictive analytics. Example: create a sales forecast dashboard using SAC. 4. Artificial intelligence and machine learning services. Use pre-trained models for text recognition, sentiment analysis, and more. Example: implement a chatbot to automate customer support. 3. Why businesses use SAP BTP? Rapid digital transformation. Develop and integrate custom solutions without waiting for full ERP upgrades. Cloud and hybrid support. Manage on-premise and cloud applications seamlessly. Scalable and flexible. Choose from services like APIs, analytics, and AI as per business needs. 4. Real-life use case. SAP BTP in retail. Scenario: a retail chain wants to automate inventory management and analyze customer purchasing patterns in real time. Integration. SAP Integration Suite connects their legacy system to a cloud e-commerce platform. Analytics. SAP Analytics Cloud forecasts stock levels based on historical sales. Workflow automation. BTP workflows automate stock replenishment orders when inventory reaches a certain threshold. 5. BTP architecture overview. Illustration: a flow diagram showing the interaction between BAS, Integration Suite, Analytics Cloud, and AI or ML services with external apps and SAP S/4HANA. Cloud Foundry and Chimera environments. 2 main environments where apps and services run. Extension Suite. Allows side-by-side extensions for S/4HANA without changing the core ERP.